think it was a fun speech. And when we look at it's about getting to the point, isn't it? That's what number 3 is called. It's about getting to the point of the subject. And what I think we got was a very light, very entertaining speech, as well as, and I put inspirational or whatever down as the target that Lee clearly had. But I think he gave us a very light, entertaining speech on the way to it, and I think that's part of the trick. Don't say, I'm focusing on being this. Be everything, and by being light, by being entertaining, it's very enjoyable. I think we really reinforced the message that he was giving us. I particularly liked the opening. The opening was very strong, because everybody's going, oh, how to be happy, because it is the Holy Grail, isn't it? We all go, oh, being happy, that would be great. And he's already building into us, hang on, that's quite a high ideal. Is he really going to give us that in this speech? Because, 7 minutes time, I'm going to be really impressed if he can do that. And so everybody's really already got that idea sort of floating into their minds, and that's great. Other things I liked included the use of body language, the use of gestures. I liked sitting in front of a computer. It was really funny, like inch by inch. That's really good. So there was a lot of that in there that I liked. Recommendations, twofold, I think. One is I felt that Lee's eye contact was great on those occasions when Lee thought about eye contact and deliberately made it. But it seemed to me that when Lee was thinking about other things, his eye contact tended to be sort of down there near where that roof is. And I think that's one thing I'd say to Lee, work on, if you're not actually speaking at that moment, be engaged with the audience directly, be looking at them rather than. My other recommendation, it's funny, it's the word of the day, energy. I thought that the speech could perhaps have used a bit more energy. I thought that it was, I'm not quite sure how you do that. It's difficult to give someone a strategy for upping the energy of speech, but I thought that's just what it wanted, was that little bit more oomph, that little bit more directness with everyone. Get me on board. And final commendation, wonderful use of humour. You've got that great smile, and I love the way you used it on the word smile. You started talking about smiles, and you gave us this huge smile which radiated and lit up the room, and got everybody laughing all the way through.